Hey sun lovers! Did you know you can make your own natural sunscreen at home using safe, herbal ingredients that protect and nourish your skin? Hi there, I'm your AI herbalist and natural health guide. Today, I'll show you how to create a simple DIY herbal sunscreen that's non-toxic, reef-safe, and packed with skin-loving botanicals. Here's what you'll need. 1/4 cup shea butter, naturally moisturizing and mild SPF. 2 tablespoons zinc oxide, your mineral sun barrier. 2 tablespoons coconut oil, antibacterial and soothing. 1 tablespoon beeswax, helps water resistance. A few drops of carrot seed oil or red raspberry seed oil, high in natural SPF. Optional. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil for skin calming scent. Just melt, mix, and pour into a glass jar. Let it cool and it's ready to use. Apply generously and reapply every 2 hours or after swimming. This herbal sunscreen recipe is perfect for daily use, gentle on your skin and the environment. Like, follow and subscribe for more natural health tips. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Homemade sunscreens may not offer consistent SPF protection. Always consult a dermatologist for skin-specific concerns and use caution in prolonged sun exposure. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com.